Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable email notifications in your Moodle account. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you'll see this interface. Here you can enter the URL of Moodle site of your school. Once you enter the URL, you will see a list of sites. Choose the correct site of your school and tap on it. Over here, enter your username and your password to log in. Once you are logged in, you'll see this dashboard. Now, in order to enable email notifications, you need to go to your profile. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now go to Preferences. Once you're on the Preferences page, here you can see the Message Preference option. Tap on it. Next up, you can see the Notification Preference section over here. There is an email option. It is disabled right now, so you can tap on it to enable the email notifications. Now the email notification is enabled. So that's it. That's how you can enable email notifications in your Moodle account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.